Yes, let's reassemble. Then you want to look for a white and, yeah, it doesn't matter, white and some other color, middle-edge piece. And let's see, like this one, white and green. Then you want to twist this piece in the corner, just little, like that. Take it in and twist it up. So, then look for another, this, white and orange. Do the same, twist it a little, take it in, twist it back. And more. Let's see. This, white and blue. Twist this piece, take it in, twist it back. Now the last, white and red piece. Let's find it. Here. Twist a little. The last one is a little harder, so if it's too hard you can take it down here and then twist it up. Now you have built a cross. Then you want to stand it a little, so put it like this. Look for a white corner piece, white, green, red. And then insert it like this, just, oops, wrong side, just drop it up like that. Look for another, white, orange, blue. Drop it in, see, drop it in. Orange, green, white. Drop it in. And for the last one, let's find it. Here, the red and blue white piece. Oops, just drop it in like that. So, and then you just keep building on the yellow cross. So you look for a middle edge piece with yellow, like this, yellow and green, and then twist a little, but be careful with the corners, and take it in, like that. Then you just build your yellow cross. Okay, it should look something like this now. Then you want to complete the yellow side. So you look for a corner piece, this, red, green, yellow, and then you see this little hole, stick it in, pull it right there in place. So just keep doing that until the yellow side is completed. So now it should look something like this. The yellow side is completed and the white side. Now we want to look for the last middle edge pieces and insert them on these places around the cube. And what you will do is this. Find one, the green and red. You want to twist the layer, the top layer, just a little like that, and take a piece, place, and just pop it in. See? Insert it. Then you want to do another, this, blue and orange, for example. Just take you over like that, and take a piece, twist the top layer as I told you, and stick it in place like that. Now orange, green, twist the top layer and pop it in. was hard actually. Like that. Oh, that was really hard. Sorry about that. Now for the oops, fell off. Now for the last piece. Red and blue. This one is probably the hardest to insert if you have a new cube. Twist it like that. Take the piece in place and pop it in. There you go. Full lubricated cube. And it's a lot faster than it was before. Now you have to work the silicone in, or else it can actually act as a glue. So then just twist it like this and keep doing that till the cube is nice and smooth and spin smoothly. So work it in. Yes, all for me. Bye. Okay, now I have worked the silicone in for maybe 2 hours, and it turns extremely good. Just oh, it's awesome. This is just perfect. So smooth. And you can cube really fast with it. This is awesome. But it doesn't spin too much, look. But you can get it to spin much, like this. And yes, hope the video was useful. Please rate and subscribe.